Well, hey, the pretty lady, yeah, I think that maybe I'd like to get to know you better. I like the way you walk, I like the way you talk, so I hope that you'll consider that maybe you and I could sneak off to get high. You know, it wouldn't be no crime, just having fun and not hurt no one. We'd have ourselves a mighty fun time. You might tell me that you don't smoke, but there ain't no harm in one little toke. So pretty please share this joint with me, because I'd like to get stoned with you. Oh yes, I'd like to get stoned with you. And all I'm saying, it would be a shame to not share, seems a waste. So just come and get it, you won't regret it. I hope that I made my case, because I need help to burn this pot. You can give me one good reason not, so come along and help me sing my song, because I'd like to get stoned with you. Oh yes, I'd like to get stoned with you. I mean, I'd really love to get stoned.